The Campo former House Speaker Martin Romualdez maintains that he is being used as a political scapegoat in the alleged flood control anomaly, stressing that there is no evidence linking him to the case. Romualdez's spokesperson, attorney Elaine Atienza, said that even former DPWH Secretary Manuel Bonoan did not implicate the former House Speaker in the alleged scheme, despite agreeing to serve as a state witness. She added that Romualdez remains open to any legal investigation but stressed that authorities should not substitute accusations for evidence.
Kung may nagkasala, papanagutin natin. Pero wag natin gawing shortcut ang paghahanap ng isang malaking pangalan para lang may maipakita sa publiko. Representative Romualdez is being portrayed as the convenient excuse and political scapegoat despite the absence of evidence linking him to the alleged anomalous projects. Sa paghahanap ng hustisya, hindi pwedeng mauna ang akusasyon bago ang ebidensya.